Hello and welcome to the demo of the Qubit Pro app. Qubit Pro app is a place to learn quantum computing. I'll start by downloading the application through the Play Store. Since I've already downloaded it, I'll open it and show you how you can start learning. So first, you'll see the dashboard. You just have to click on complete a course and earn certificate to start learning. Since I've already enrolled in the course, I'm going to take you through to the learning process. These are the modules and I can start by clicking on the first lecture. This is where the actual learning takes place. I can skip
Hi,
and show you how
something like
extensively
alpha
the
minus
lectures
beta,
are being taught.
or they could be.
I'll go back and I can also download the certificate once I've completed my learning. Secondly, we have a quantum community. You can join the quantum community by paying a monthly fee of just 999 rupees. There are a lot of benefits of joining the quantum community. Thirdly, you can also refer your friends and earn qubit coin worth rupees 500. That is also your friend will also earn and you can also earn. Amazing, right? Apart from that, we have a lot of webinars that are taking place on the Qubit Pro app. Our upcoming webinar involves the director of Microsoft, where we will discuss about the applications of quantum computing. You can also invite your friends to learn quantum computing and earn money. If you are an instructor and you want to teach quantum computing, you can also register on the app as an instructor and make your own course on the application. This will help you to reach out to a larger audience and simultaneously make money. For high ticket size courses, we can also pick a plan and choose to pay in installments. We can also choose to pay later via different apps like LazyPay. One of the best features of the application is the quantum community. Each course has its own community where the discussions take place. Apart from that, I can access the dashboard via clicking on account. If you have any further questions, you can chat with us via WhatsApp. Thank you, folks. That's all for the demo. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you for your time.